Okay. Hello. Can you see my hello? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, hello students, and again, good afternoon to all of you. Okay, thank you for that. So I'd like to remind you, we started already. Okay. So when we started our class already, please remain muted. Okay. Do not turn on your microphone. Just listen to teacher. If teacher Jong is talking, okay, you can turn on your microphone if you want to answer or if you have questions. I hope it's clear. Thank you very much for your cooperation. All right, so to continue our study, our lesson this afternoon. Last time we talked about length. And by the way, welcome back to our virtual class this afternoon. Still the same schedule, Friday, every 1:20 to 2:10. So last time we talked about length and especially how to compare length. So just a quick review, a short review about our lesson last time. So you have noticed here in the picture, there are three buildings. Building color green, red, and yellow. So if you compare, remember, if you compare two things, you just add ER. Okay, if we are comparing the height of a thing, we use the word tall, short and tall. Okay, so the building red here, the red building is tall. Yes, it's tall. And it is taller than the green. So taller than, if we compare two things. And another one here also, the yellow building is short. Yes, it's short. And if you compare the yellow and the green, the yellow building is shorter than green building. Okay. And then if you compare all of these three, you find out here that red building is the tallest. So the word tall, if you compare two, just add ER, taller. Okay. If you compare three or more among the group, just add AST. Tallest. The same with the word short. Short, shorter, shortest. So the building yellow here is the shortest. Okay. So we have learned this one, just a review. And another one here, if we talk about length, we use the word long, short and long. So you can see here in the picture that the fire engine is long. If you compare fire engine and the school bus, two things, so the word long becomes longer, longer than, okay, compared to the school bus. And the bike here is short. What happened if you compare the bike and the school bus? The bike is shorter than. Okay, add ER if you compare two things. And then the fire engine is the tallest. The bicycle is the shortest. Like that. So that is how to compare length of an object and height of an object. And also, we have learned last time measuring using an object. No? So, like for example here, the cupboard is as tall as 6 footstools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called non-standard units. Okay, and the ladder here is also 6 footstools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So meaning we do not use ruler here. We use non-standard footstool. So meaning the cupboard is as tall as the ladder, meaning they are equal, the same height, 6 footstools, 6 footstools. Okay, so that's the lesson. Last time we talked about measuring length using an objects. Now this afternoon class we are going to learn about measuring length in meters and centimeters and also millimeters. Okay, so listen carefully, follow, look at the screen so that you can understand our lesson. Okay, so these are called standard units. Okay, these are the measuring tools. So last time we learned non-standard units using handspan, paper clips, whatever objects to use to measure things. But this afternoon we are going to study about standard units. They are called standard because there are numbers here. So these are the measuring tools. So let's try to recognize them. So this is, what's the name of this? Used by the tailors to measure pants, measure our body, measurement, our dress, right? This is called measuring tape or body measuring tape. Okay, how about this? This is called meter stick. You have here in the school, in the classroom, you have here meter stick. 1 meter stick. That's why that's why we call it meter stick, because 1 meter long. Okay, another one here. How about this? Do you know this? This is called, you can see here the word here, right? Yeah, this is called measuring tape. Measuring tape. Okay, all of this have numbers in it. The same measure, the same measurement. Okay, and this one, what is this? I think all of you know this. What is this? Do you have this? This is?
No.
Yes, very good. So,
No.
yeah, I know you know this
Ruler.
because all of you have this measuring tool. This is ruler. So, a ruler class has 30 centimeters. Maybe some of you only 15, small ruler. But mostly, a ruler has 30 centimeters. And you can see here number 0 up to 12. Okay, the other side. And these are called inches. So we'll learn later. So this is a meter stick. Meter stick. The standard units of length include meter and centimeter. Okay, so the measurement of length or height in standard units requires the use of proper instruments such as ruler, meter stick, ruler, measuring tape, and others. So these are called standard units. Standard units. Okay. So this is 1 meter because 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So we will learn that later. Look at here. 1 meter is equivalent to how many centimeters? So remember, 1 meter equivalent to 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 meter, 100 centimeters. So remember that one always. Look at here. Yeah, this one. This is 1 meter. It's 1 meter. And if we magnify the numbers, you can see here. You can see the number, even your ruler, 1 centimeter. So if 1 meter has 100 centimeters, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until 100. Until 100. And it is 1 meter. Okay. And ruler here. Listen carefully. Look at here. As I have said, your ruler has 30 centimeters. Okay. You can see the 30 centimeters. The other side is centimeters. And the other side is called inches. Okay. Inches. 1 inch. This one, 1 inch. 2 inches. 3, 4, 5 until 12 inches. So 30 centimeters, your ruler has 12 inches or 1 foot. We call this 1 foot. All right. Okay. And look at here. So take note. Look at the ruler. From here. Yeah. From 0 until this is 1 centimeter. And you can see the lines there, small lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So meaning 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Yes, millimeters. 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter. Okay, don't forget that one. So meaning 10 millimeters. If we continue, 20 millimeters, 3 centimeter, 30 centimeters, millimeters, 4, 40 millimeters, 5, 50 millimeters, and so on. Okay. All right. Now, let us try to measure here. But before that, look at here. The picture. Look at the picture. So, using meter class, the length of the blackboard is 3 meters or 3 m. 1, 2, 3. So the length of the blackboard, as the picture shows, is 3 meters long. Okay. Right. Next. Okay, look at here. Remember this one, students. If we measure length, okay, the length of an object is the measurement of how long, okay, the object is. That's why long, longer, longest, the length. If we measure height, like this, the height of an object is the measurement of how tall. Yeah, if we are talking about height, how tall is the object? For example, when I ask you, how tall are you? You will tell me your height. It's not appropriate to say, how long are you? Okay, because I'm referring to your height. So when we talk about height, the correct word is tall. How tall is that object? Okay, if length, how long is that object? Okay, just follow here. Now, tell me, Tell me which one shows the correct way of measuring objects. A, B, or C? Tell me which one is correct. Which shows the correct way of measuring objects. A, B, or C? Who answers A or B or C? A?
C.
C. Austin said C. And Austin is correct. Very good. Listen carefully. Letter A, look at the pencil here. You should start here in 0. Okay? When you measure things using ruler, you should start from 0. So this one is wrong. Letter B. This one is wrong. You should start here from 0. Okay? Even though you can still count, but the proper way is start from 0. Okay? And letter C is the correct. Start 0 and then like that. So the answer is letter C. Letter C is the correct way. All right? Very good. Now, let's try to measure here. Okay, look at here. What is the length of a crayon using inches? As I have said, the other side of your ruler is in inches. Now tell me, how many inches the crayon is? Look at the crayon. How many inches? The crayon is 3 inches. How about the pencil in centimeters? What is the length of the pencil? You can answer now. You can turn on your microphone. What is the length of the pencil in centimeters? Okay, very good. 16 centimeters. cm, centimeters. Okay, 1 centimeter, no S. If 2, 3, 4, and so on with S, centimeters. Okay, how about this? How long is the eraser in centimeters? The eraser is blank centimeters long. What's your answer?
5 centimeters.
Oh, very good. You can see there, it's in 5. 5 centimeters long. Very good. How about this? In inches. How long is the crayon? In inches. The crayon is blank inches long.
Yes.
Huh?
3 inches.
Oh, very good. Yes, 3. The crayon is 3 inches long. Okay. How about this in centimeter? What is the length of a pencil? The length of a pencil is
15 centimeters.
very good. 15. You can see here. Okay. 15 centimeters long. Yeah, that's correct. How about this? Measure the objects in centimeters. How long is...
Centimeter.
Very good. That's correct. 16 centimeters. How about this one? The iPhone. Huh?
12 centimeters.
Oh, very good. The iPhone is this iPhone? The iPhone is 12 centimeters. Okay, very good. How about this in millimeters? Millimeters.
Why?
Measure the eraser. Remember, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Okay, what is the length of, okay, you listening? What is the length of the eraser in millimeters? If 1 centimeter equals to 10, so what is now the length of the eraser? Tell me. Anybody? What is the length?
7.
7?
7.
No, not 7 because it's millimeters. 1 centimeter equivalent to 10. So 7
70
times 10. Wow, what's that? That's correct. The correct answer is 70. Very good. 70 millimeters. Okay, very good. How about this one? Tell me, what is the length of the sharpener in millimeters? 1 cm, 10 millimeters. Tell me, what is the length? The sharpener is blank millimeters. In millimeters. What's your answer?
45.
Wow, who's that? Who's that? Number 25. Okay, very good. That's correct. 45 millimeters. Why? Because 4 times 10 equals 40 plus 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. So 45. Okay, very good. So just follow the screen. How about this? Yes, we have already answered. The scissors is 9 centimeters or 9 cm. Okay, open your book. Open your book, page 85. 85. Okay, page 85. Here. Page 85. Are you there? Hello, are you there?
I open now.
Okay, very good. Now, this is your activity. Listen carefully. This is your activity. This is your activity. Okay. So, you try to guess first. Okay. You guess first the object, the following object here. This one. We have here length of your arm span. I think there's already answer here, right? Length of your arm span. Example. More than 1 meter. Example. More than
หนังสือเล่มไหนหรอ
okay. Okay, someone is talking. So this is the example. Listen carefully. This is the example. Length of your arm span more than 1 meter. Okay. That's a guess, meaning you estimation. Then measurement more than 1 meter. So next here, length of your finger, middle finger to your elbow. This one, from here until the elbow. Okay. You guess. What do you think? More than or less than meter? I think it's less than, right? Less than 1. Less than 1 meter. 1 m. 1 m.
ใช่หนังสืออันนี้ใช่ไหม
Yes, page 85. Less than.
หน้าที่85
Okay. Less than. Oops. I don't know how to write. Less than. Okay. Less than 1 meter. 1 meter. And then get your measuring tools there. Ruler or meter stick. And then measure your finger until your middle finger, this one, until your elbow. Okay? You try to measure and then you write the measurement here. You write the measurement here, exact measurement. Okay? This one is guess only, estimate. But here, the measurement, you write the measurement here. Okay? So get your ruler or meter stick, if you have there, you measure from middle finger until your elbow. Okay. Next, your height. Oh, do you know your height? If you are more than 1 meter, you can write here. More than 1 meter. 1 meter. Okay, your height, and then you write your exact measurement. How tall are you? So you can write here 130 centimeters, something like that, or 1 meter and 30 centimeters. So you can write like that. Okay, I will not write here because I don't know the exact measurement. You do it by yourself there.
เสร็จแล้วโทรหานะ
Your activity. Okay, next, height of your desk. Okay, so maybe height of your desk less than desk. It's like table. Less than, you can write here, less than 1 meter. 1 meter. Example only, huh? You guess, and then you measure the desk, the height. You measure it, then write the exact measurement. Okay, we have 6 minutes left. All right, so next, the door. Yeah, you can write here more than 1 meter or 2 meters if your door is very high or tall. 1, 2. Shall we say, example, our estimation is more than or less than, let's see. Okay, you can write here less than, okay, less than 2 meters. Then you measure the door using your meter stick or measuring tape. And then next, window. More than, you can write here more than 2 meters, like that. Then you measure. Okay. Okay. Do you understand what I mean? You guess first, less than or more than 1 meter, less than 1 meter, 2 meters. Just guess, and then you measure it using your measuring tape or ruler or meter stick, whatever available measuring tools you have there in your house. Next, let's go here, page 86. Move your book to page 86. Page 86. So try to measure this ribbon. How long is this? Do you have ruler? Get your ruler and measure this. And tell me what is the exact measurement. Get your ruler. And also this rope.
Teacher,
What's the answer?
did you think it here?
Yes. You can write it here in the box. What is the measurement?
9.
9. Okay, you can write here 9. Okay, 9 centimeters. How about the rope? Get your ruler and measure the rope. What is the exact measurement?
7.
Huh?
7.
7. Are you sure? Do you have the same?
Sure.
Okay, very good. So 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Okay. Okay. Do you have any question?
Okay.
Do you have any questions? Questions? If you have, you can ask now.
I'm finished.
Wow, that's
I'm finished.
good job.
I'm finished.
Wow, great job.
Finished. I finished. I finished.
Okay, so this one, you need to get your measuring tool, then try to measure your arms, your finger to elbow, your height, your desk, the door, and your window. Okay, so no questions? No questions? Hello? Silence means no questions. Okay. So if no questions, you can review this video. I will send it to you. You can study again. You can review.
ไม่รู้เลยเมื่อกี้สอนอะไร แล้วดับไปแล้วก็ไม่เปิดด้วยนะ
Okay, so if no questions, we don't have enough time now. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for listening. And bye-bye.
Teacher.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher. Teacher.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye. See you next time.
Yes, see you next time. Bye-bye.